I got some poppets last Saturday. Sorry, I didn't know my camera went black or something. Got some poppets last Saturday. Not yesterday, but the Saturday before yesterday. One of them's a Pikachu. There's some smaller poppets too. This is the Pikachu one. I also got a poppet handbag and a popsicle poppet. So, yeah. Um, this is my puppet. There's more somewhere. There's more elsewhere, but I just don't want to show. I just don't want to go over there right now. But I can show you one of the mini poppets. Chips. This is the poppet handbag. I got some other fidgets that I got with the poppets in it, as well as a chapstick. Infinity cube. Hello. This is my infinity cube. It just loops around over and over again, and it's really cool. There's this, it's called a wacky track. You can bend it and shape it. And look, it's a monocle. Okay. And this stretchy ropes unicorn. There's another one that's like a pinkish purple. I named her Aquamarine. And then there's this. You can squeeze the marble around, and you could squeeze the marble inside of it around, and it's really fun. You can squish, 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 squish. Okay, bye.